We ended up having a snowstorm, and I got the day off work because it's a school day. And this is how much snow we have. Let me go to the front and I'll show you. And yes, you can't see it, but it is still snowing out. A better idea of how deep it is, I'm going to let the dogs out. See if they stink. They made a little path. Babies! So I'm going to enjoy my day off by eating popcorn, staying in my pajamas. And the reason why I'm not showing you what I look like is because, again, I'm in my pajamas and I didn't brush my hair because I'm enjoying my day off. So you're just going to look at this nice Orville Redenbacher's popcorn bag. However, I do need to clean up my room. So I'll show you that progress. I'm not going to show you the dirty one, but I'll show you my progress. So I finished cleaning my room. And look at the blizzard. Snowing. That's what it's been doing non-stop. We're supposed to get about 20 to 30 centimeters, apparently.